There's a guide on how you can turn on two-factor authentication on Instagram. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So in the previous video, we turned it on with the help of phone number, but this time we're going to use an authenticator app, the Google Authenticator, and I'm going to teach you how you can do that too. Okay. So I personally prefer the authenticator because with the number thing, it sometimes glitches and it's not very seamless. Okay. But the authenticator is really smooth and it works flawlessly. Okay. And it's quite easy. It's not that difficult. So the first step is click on the profile icon in the bottom right section of your screen. After that, click on the three bars on the top right section of your screen. Now the settings and activity page will open. On this page, you have to click on Account Center, the first option. After that, you have to scroll down a little, and in the account settings category, you have to click on the first one, which says password and security. After that, on this page, you have to click on two-factor authentication, the second option in the login and recovery category. After that, you have to choose the account that you want to turn it on for. For example, I'm turning it on for the Depresso account. So I'm going to click that. After that, on this page, last time we clicked on the second option which says SMS or WhatsApp, but this time you have to click on the first one which says authentication app. Okay. It also says recommended in green. Okay. As I already said, it's very seamless and it's better than the phone number. Once you're done, click on next. After that, on this page, you have to click on copy key. I'm not going to read anything on this page. You can do it yourself. I'm just going to tell you what you have to do. It's very simple, okay? After that, you have to open Google Play Store, okay? And search for Google Authenticator. As you can see, I have already searched for this. Click on search and then download this one, Google Authenticator, okay? Once you're done, click on open. After that, click on the plus icon and click on enter setup key. After that, you have to enter code name. So you can name it anything you want. For example, I'm naming it Instagram. And then in brackets, I'm going to enter my account name, which is Depresso. You can do the same and you can add your own account's name. Once you're done, go to the next option and click on that. And then paste the code that you copied. Okay. This is the code that I copied. And that's it. Click on add. And yeah, as you can see, these are the codes that I'm getting. It says 554102. So I'm going to open my Instagram account. Click on next. You can switch through the app to see the code again. The code is 554102. Okay. So enter it here. 554102. Once you're done, click on next. After entering the password, as you can see, it says two-factor authentication is on. And that's it. That's how you turn on two-factor authentication on Instagram.